Hi, today I am coming in front of you with a new story. The continuation of some industrials that were prevailed before, but it became discontinued later. Today I am saying that kind of a story in front of you. That's about Kelvinator, the old refrigerator of India, and I heard it was the first refrigerator that became commercialized in the world. The initially named Electro Automatic Refrigerating Company, the company was renamed Kelvinator in 1960 to Honor. Physicist Lord Kelvin, who developed the absolute temperature scale. Kelvinator introduced the first refrigeration with automatic controls in 1980. They also purchased Leonard Electrolux, despite owning a Kelvinator, also failed to reinvestment in the brand. Electrolux, a company, also took up this brand but failed to invest in it. This lack of investment combined with ownership changes led to Kelvinator market share decline and even full discontinuation in India in 2005. Born overseas on US soil in 1919, the first domestic refrigerator was named Kelvinator after the Kelvin scale that measures absolute temperature of Kelvinator refrigerator. Birth of the Kelvinator was in Detroit in USA, and later it became developed and a lot of development and changes happened to that industry gradually. Became failed, lack of reinvestment and the lack of uh, proper management leads to that company became ruined and declined. Many companies take up this or this industry, but it became a failed one because the reinvestment of this company couldn't get success. So that that became the decline of this company and they stopped it later. In 2005, it completely stopped its production in India. I am going to the story and history of Kelvinator. A once dominated refrigerator brand has a history and marked by innovation and adequate due to ownership changes and lack of investment. Founded in 1914, it pioneered automatic refrigeration and held a significant market share in USA. However, multiple ownership transfers, particularly when Whirlpool acquired International Rice in 1996, led to a decline in India, where it was eventually discontinued in 2005. That I had said it before. In 1940, engineer Nathaniel conceived the idea of a practical electric refrigerator from Arnold Gauss, initially named Electrolux. Kelvinator was purchased by White Consolidated in Industry in 1968. Later in 1986, AB Electrolux acquired Considered Industry. In 1996, Whirlpool acquired the industry, and they didn't invest in Kelvinator in India. Leonard cleanable ice boxes from Grand Rapids Refrigeration Company integrating their cooling unit. Kelvinator produced the first continued electric home refrigerator in 1925. In the 1920s, Kelvinator acquired licensed refrigerator company and Nisar Corporation. In 1937, Kelvinator merged with Nash to become Nash Kelvinator pattern, expanding into other appliances. During World War II, the Kelvinator started to produce propellers and aircraft spare parts that time. Please watch my video about Kelvinator and its history in India. What was its fate in the world history. Please subscribe my channel Ramesh RS. REMESH small space RS. Small letters necessary. So like my channel, share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.